Hi boys and girls, sorry I couldn't be there with you at school today, but I'm not feeling very well, so I'm at home trying to get better. What I want you to do today while you're in STEM is use ShowMe like we did last time, but today when you use ShowMe, I'd like you to try a couple new things with it. So when I get in ShowMe, I'm going to press this plus sign to get a new ShowMe screen. I may also already be in the ShowMe screen. Remember that I can pick the colors that are here to draw a picture. I can use this button to clear everything off of my picture, and I can use this button just to erase certain things, like the eraser in Notability. So I could write my rule, which you can find on the signs in the front of the room, the purple, green, and yellow signs, and I can draw a picture to match. Maybe here's me. Picking up a book for my friend. Remember we talked, it doesn't have a brown, so I just use the orange or another close color to make it look like a picture of me. So there's me picking up this book for my friend. Actually, my rule should be respect others. But what's really cool, and what I'd like you to try today, is to use these separate screens. I can press these arrow buttons here and make a second screen. So I could try to show a second rule on this one. Maybe this time I do show respect for self. Again, maybe I have a book this time, and maybe it's a book that I'm actually going to read instead of picking it up and giving it to a friend. Go ahead and draw my picture. There it is, looking really good and ready to go. So now I can just press these arrows to go back and forth between the screens. There's screen 1, there's screen 2. And I can record my voice again by pressing this button right here. In this picture, I'm showing respect for others because I picked up a book that my friend dropped by accident, and I was going to return it to them. In this story, I'm respecting myself because I'm going to turn in my homework that I worked very hard on. So that's how I show respect for myself and respect for others. Now I can stop the recording by pressing the pause button here. Press save, and we can see my ShowMe. And now you can see that my screen changed when I changed the screen in the video. And that's really a pretty cool effect that I can use. So that makes my story look even better. You could try to do 2 rules like that, or your other option today is to try to draw while you're recording. So I would come up here and I would press this button and I would write my rule while the recording is going. And I could also draw my picture while the recording is going. And now we'll see those 2 things combined in this particular story. And let's just say that I finished my story. Let's check out what that looks like. So there you see the screen switch. Then if I fast forward a little bit, now you can watch me while I'm recording. And now I can see this really cool animation effect. Instead of just the picture being very still, it shows me while I'm drawing. So I'd like you to either try this, where I press the recording button first draw my picture and write my rule, or you could use multiple screens by using these arrow buttons. So again, give one of those two new things a shot to do your respect for self, others, and the world around you picture stories. I hope you have fun giving that a shot and using audio, text, as well as pictures to present your message of respect for self, others, and the world around you.